My name is Luiđi Liguori. I am a former army officer, helicopter pilot, and with the passion of everything a human can make it fly. I'm really honored and proud to announce that DroneBuzz is the first certified and authorized training center for unmanned aircraft systems, better known as drones, in North Macedonia. The school is based on the syllabus that has been implemented by the European Aviation Safety Agency, based on the three open categories for the use of drones. This open category are based on a simple principle. The heavier the drone is, the farther from people should fly, the safer the operation will be. The training programs is based on two main trainings. Basic, which gives the students the basic of how to pilot a drone, and the notions about regulations and about safety measures. Then we have an advanced course which is meant to provide students with a more deep knowledge about ground risk management, safety measure, flight planning, and this will be offered to students that have proved that have at least 40 hours of solo flights. Then we can provide also a specific training on what are the main use of drones in today's industry, about videography, photography, documentaries, events, but also agriculture, like monitoring crop, monitoring the status of plantation, spraying fertilizers. But not only. Drones can also be used, for example, for search and rescue operation, assisting the rescuers in area where the rescuers are in area where they are different to reach, but also assess, for example, damages from the natural disaster. Another thing that drones can do is a three-dimensional mapping, very valuable for urban planning, for example. But many more. Lately we have found out that drones are equipped for firefighting, assisting the fighters to put out a fire where they cannot reach the area, like a tall building, for example. And monitoring the status of the area, the air. Some drones are equipped with sensors that can test and evaluate the status of the air in industrial and urban area. So as you see, drones are versatile in this regards. Safety is my top priority. Being a helicopter pilot, I have already a safety awareness in this matter. We have integrated our training programs with safety protocols. So during the training, the practical and the theoretical and practical training, students will learn about safety concern regarding an operation done with the drones. And this will be the focus of the training will be on the safety procedure and the safety awareness. Drone industry is continuously evolving. There are new regulations, new innovation, technology innovation, they change every day. So we keep updated our students with all the information that they should know regarding all the developments and the achievements of the sector. I had already the opportunity to work for some industry, but as I told before, the drones offer today a solution, a less expensive solution for many operations. I told you about videography and photography for people that produce documentaries or the real estate or events, or for example, employing drones in agriculture. Many operations that before were done by commercial aircraft or helicopter with expensive, with cost at very high. Now they can be done with the use of drones, and depending on the payload you attach to the drones, can do anything. LiDAR, thermal cameras, advanced photo camera and video camera. Today's many companies request the use of the drones. We have, for example, in Italy, the company that is taking care of the highways requests often the use of drones for bridge inspections, for example, that can be made effectively and in a very short time. I also had the opportunity to work for some company. I am a volunteer from Red Cross, and we used the drones for some missing people. We assisted the local police forces and the rescuer to locate the missing people. And we managed, we were very professional in this. The use agriculture is one of the last innovation in agriculture. Drones are very well equipped. They can also seed a land, seed and spray, survey the status of plantation, so the owner can intervene exactly on that part of the plantation without wasting time in looking for other solution. The first thing I would suggest is, of course, joining the training center, starting with the basic course as a hobbyist, and learn about the drone, the feature of the drone, and practice for a short while. Then I suggest to join an advanced course that will provide more deep knowledge about what is required for ground and air risk management. We've done regulation, then airspace, no-fly zones, restricted areas, and so on. Then practice will be the most important part, because the more you fly, the more you learn how to fly. Then, of course, get the certification to operate, to be a professional pilot and operator. Operator and pilot are two different persons. They can be both, but operator is the one that takes care of the bureaucracy revolving the drone operation. The remote pilot is the one that really flies the drone. And of course, they have different kind of liabilities. Last thing that I can suggest is to get in touch with the other professionals and build up a portfolio and show them what you are able to do. And that will open the door to to a new business. Drone is the business of the future. I want to invite people to learn more about the training center. There is a website where they can get the information or contact me directly.